Hi everyone, my name is Annick Levesque and I'm presently in my store based in Montreal. Today I would like to show you my new style, Olivia. As per all my other styles in my collection, this style have also the integrated light system. So for those who don't know how it's working, you just have to open the zipper till the very end to turn on the light. Like that. You can easily change the battery because you have a little pocket on top and it gives you the access to the battery holder. It's 2-watt battery and you can easily buy them everywhere. It lasts for about 1 year without changing them. Which is about 96 hours. There's also 2 pockets. You have one zipper pocket and you have also a long strap that you can attach the keys to never look for them anymore. If you zip it, you can see also inside, not inside but outside of the zipper, there's other 2 outside pocket that it's very convenient to fit your phone or anything that you need quickly. In this bag, you can fit a bottle of water, you can fit a wallet as well, you can fit your glasses case, a makeup bag, and in the outside pocket, as I explained previously, you can fit your phone, your earphone, and even your cable. This bag is very convenient because you can wear it as a shoulder bag, but also has a crossbody and also as a backpack. So to wear it as a shoulder bag, you just have to make sure that the big hook is attached on the small D-ring, and that's it. You're ready to go. So my model, she's a size medium, so it gives you an idea of the size of the bag. So the other way to wear it as a crossbody, you just have to detach the big hook like that, and you just attach it on the big O-ring. Here we go. So the other way to make it as a backpack, you can see once you open the outside pouch, outside pocket, you will find out a hook, a ring like that, an O-ring, I'm sorry, and here you have another small D-ring. So you just detach this and you make sure you pass the big hook inside of the round hook to attach it on the small D-ring at the bottom, and then you take the small hook here to attach it on the small D-ring, and you place back the snap up like that, and then you just pull the strap out like that. So she can wear it in front, or she also can wear it as a backpack like that. So for more information, you can visit my website at annicklevesque.com, and we are actually producing more colors. Actually, we just have pink, but don't worry, we're gonna make black as well and other color. So thank you for watching.